Good afternoon, everyone. We are discussing a subject, accounting subject. Here, in this accounting subject, we are dealing with the first chapter called as accounting for a share capital. In these previous sessions, we have discussed about the company and the features of the company and what kind of companies are there. And then we saw the share capital means what, then the characteristics, or sorry, not characteristics, categories of share capital, then nature and classes of share. Now the next concept what we are going to discuss for today's class is none other than the accounting treatment. Now as we are talking about the share capital, now every time when we are charging, just I will give you all a highlight an example of it. When we are selling a shares in the market, that time we will be having a specific cost for rupees 10 as example. The cost is for per share is 10 rupees. Now when you are establishing a new business, at once only you don't require the whole amount. Keep in mind, we don't require whole amount. So what we make is, first we will make a application. In the application amount we will be charging 2 rupees for application. Then when we make 3 rupees allotment, means when you are starting a business directly you don't require whole amount. Keep in mind, same like we can have an example on our personal also. How when you are starting a home, you will be taking a loan for 10 lakh. You have taken a loan 10 lakhs. It is personal, okay, personal experience we can get here. You are constructing a home and it requires how much? 10 lakhs for this home estimation. So you will be taking 10 lakh from the bank. The whole the amount will you take at once only you are going to take the 10 lakh and bring a home and build up? No, first you require basement, base, okay, at ground. Then it has to be builded. Now the building of walls will be there. For basement, if you require 3 lakhs you will require. Then for this you may require 2 lakhs for building up till the slab. Then for up one side, for the slab, what we call here roof, okay, for roof it may require 2 lakh. Soon after that, remained is how much? 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs will be for what purpose? For interior, inside development, interior. Okay, so how we have done this? In the same way, for the shares, how we collect? The same. When you are building a home, how you can make the expenses, in what stage how much we require, that much only amount you will be taking. Here also, when you are starting a new company, in the same stage the amounts will be taken. Now the same we are going to pass here the journal entries. But how? First we are going to see the application. When we do how much we make, then how we make allotment. Application, on application and on allotment, how we are going to pass the journal entries we are going to see. So for the general idea how we collect, build up a home, same way here the company has been built up. At once only they are not going to take the whole amount. For allotment till here they may make, it depends how they want. First call, second call, or directly with the first call and final, they can say. It depends on their understanding how they want, they can do these things. However they require, they can go for it. So how we build a home? In the same way the company will be built up in the same process. Now in the procedure we have seen this, what all things, how the things will go in the last class. But in the today's class, what we are going to see is how we treat the accounting. So I will let you know first point on application, what will be there. See, the amount of money paid with the various installment represents the contribution to the share capital. See, this allotment is not taken at once. That only I told you, the shares is not taken for one share, it is 10 rupees. It will not be taken at once, it will be installment we call it. However we require, we are going to take, as I gave you the example of the building a home, okay, house construction, how we do. In the same way, first the installment system it is, then, and should ultimately be credited to the capital account. Whatever you collect the installments, it will be credited to capital account. Capital account it is credited. Then, however, for the sake of convenience, initially individual accounts are opened for each installment. Now, whatever the installments are taken, separate accounts are open. Accounts, separate account. Separate accounts are open for this, for the installment whatever you are making here. Then further, all the money received along with the application is deposited in the scheduled bank with a separate opened account for the purpose. How it is separately opened account for the purpose? They have, means what you have investment, a person has done rupees 2 allotment application, then B same, this separate account, he is separate person. So in the schedule bank from which guarantor or the schedule bank which have provided the guarantee for that company, in that account schedule bank, they are going to have the separate accounts here. So for this we are having a journal entry called, for this one we will be having a separate entry. Entry is how? Bank account data to share application account. Share application account. See, in this way we are going to have a journal entry. Got the things? Then even you can write here amount received on application of rupees, how much? For 4 rupees, sorry, I will be taking this, for dash shares, dash number of shares at rupees, how much? This is what the introduction for this. So first journal entry for the on the application will be bank account data to share application account. Amount received on application for dash shares, how many shares of rupees dash each. Further you can mention each. For each how much we are going to get here. This will be the first entry for the on application of amount. Okay, this is, see, now onwards you need to take down these entries, whatever I will be mentioning here, just take down in your books, so that further we will be having a problem. One more, in 2 classes we will be having a journal problems also here, journal entry problems. Have you taken this of the part?
Yes, sir.
Took?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this on application, what journal entry will be coming, we got now. Now next on allotment, what will be happening here. See, when minimum subscription has been received and certain legal formalities are allotted for the shares has been duly completed with the directors of the company, proceeds with the allotment of the shares. Now, as mentioned, restrictions of the memorandum of association, MOA, what we call MOA. Here, what subscriptions are required as you are collecting so and so amount? How many subscription is required? That if you have got, as per the memorandum of association, how you were restricted, that time you can make the allotment. That time only you can make the allotment. Keep in mind, only when you have reached your subscription level, you can make the allotment. Soon after, talking to the board of directors. Then further, the allotment of share implies a contract between company and the applicant, who now becomes allottee or assumes the state of shareholders or the members. When you purchase these shares, that time you will be the member of the company, or else the owner also. The status will come here because you are investing in the business, that company. You will be one part of a owner. The shareholders are the owners of the business, and the shareholders will be forming the board of directors for presenting the business or company, whatever it is. For presenting that, they will be having a board of directors. So this is what the and allotment we can done. Then further, we are having a journal entries here. Further, we'll be having the journal entries. Now, this is specific only linked to the application. Now further we are having the journal entries on the allotment. I will be erasing here, and one by one I will be giving you all the journal entries. See that if you doesn't understand, stop me at same spot and ask the question. Journal entries with regard to allotment of shares. I will write here. Journal entries while regard, it is, yes, with regard of to allotment of share.
So what is the page number?
You all are having book. It is a second book, page number 10. It is not in the first
Okay,
book.
sir.
It is a second book, share capital.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what journal entry. First journal entry I will be taking here for transfer of application money. For transfer of application money. What will be the entries here? Share capital. So here it will be share application account data. Account data. Share application account data to share capital account. To share capital account. Then nextly, you can mention here application money on dash shares. Transfer to share capital. When you are transferring the application money to the share capital, this thing will be coming here. See, when you are before that allotment, you will be having a separate accounts for them. Means separately accounts, bank accounts will be opened in the schedule bank. In that, what happens? The share application account from that individual's person's account, the application money is transferred to share capital account. Now, how the shares capital is been collected, in that it will be transferred here. Okay, this will be the first entry here for transfer of application money. Take it down. If everyone is having the books also, it would be better. If you all are not having, just note it down so that we can have a problems soon after it. See, after that 2 more journal entries will be coming, then we will be having a problems. 2 more journal entries means this is all about the allotment. Nearly 6 entries are there here. Then we will be having on call. On call, how many degrees journal entries will be there, that we will be discussing for this. Everyone took this?
Sir.
Abhishek, are you writing it? Abhishek and Yuvraj, you both are writing it or no? Reply fast so that we can complete this concept. Shall I proceed? I will take the second one. First one, what was the second one is for money refunded on rejected application. For see, as per the things in the previous classes, in the sessions, we were knowing that if you are publishing the 2000 or 2 lakhs equity shares in the market, and if you are getting 2,50,000 applications, the 50,000 what we are rejecting, even the money on the application what you have taken, that has to be returned. This money is to be returned for them. Okay, that entry we are having here for money refunded on rejected application. How much you require that you are accepting, those which you are rejecting, that money should be transferred back to them. So it will be share application account data to bank account. To bank account. Here it will be mentioned like application money returned on rejected application. Rejected application for how much shares they have paid, that much. Okay, the second entry will be in this way. Share for which purpose we are passing a second journal entry for money refunded on rejected application. Those applications what we had got, we have accepted that journal entries are different, and when we are rejecting the applications, the public which they have sent the application, that rejected will be refunded their money. So it will be share capital account debtor to bank account. To their specific accounts, the money will be returned to them. So application money returned on rejected applications for how much it is, you can mention here. This is the second point. Shall I go for third one?
Yes, sir.
When I will be asking you, that time you are not replying, and when not, that time you are replying. So that make it available, your reply should be there when I ask. Okay, Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
So that I can proceed forward. So third entry is the amount due on allotment for amount due on allotment. Okay, it will be like share allotment account debtor to share capital. Share allotment account debtor to share capital. To share capital account. Then next, how it will be? Here we are not having any of the clarification for this. Just we are having this entry only. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. This is the third one entry. Amount due. Okay, I will go for the fourth one now. Fourth entry is for adjustment of excess application money. For adjustment of excess application money. It will be like share capital account to share allotment account. Share capital account. Sorry, share application I said. Share application account to share allotment account. To share allotment account. The application money on dash shares at rupees dash per share adjusted to the amount due to allotment. Due on allotment. Application money on dash number of shares at rupees per share adjusted to the amount due on allotment. This is the fourth one entry. Share application account to share allotment account. Next will be the receipt of allotment money. For receipt okay, So it will be like this: bank account data to share allotment account. Data to share allotment account. Share allotment account. So allotment money received on allotment money received on dash shares at rupees per share. Combined account. So this will be the entry: receipt for receipt of allotment money. Bank account data to share allotment account. Allotment money received on dash number of shares at rupees per share, combined account. This will be the fifth entry. See, one entry is there which for two second and fourth journal entry, what we had taken, second and fourth combinedly can be taken. One more entry, the next entry, one more combinedly which can be taken is second and fourth. We are having the same, like share application account to bank account, and fourth one is share application account to share allotment account. Combinedly we can take that also. I will be giving you all. So this was the fifth one. Now one more note entry is there, means double entry we can pass out here on this. How we can pass out? See, it is for journal entry 2 and 4 combined one. 2 and 4 combined. How we can take? It has been given here. So to share application account data to bank account, and one more to share allotment. Means what? You can take combinedly and end up with, you can reduce the one entry by taking this combinedly. So excess application money, here it will be excess application money adjusted to share allotment account. Adjusted to share allotment and balance refunded. This will be the double entry for second and fourth one. In one entry only you can show this journal entry. This is all about the allotment of shares. Nearly 5 journal entries we are going to get. Even you, if you want, you can make it just a 4 entries. In 4 entries you can complete this. If you merge up this second and fourth one, if you are merging up like this, you can have only 4 allotment entries. Okay, that's it. Then further with this we are having application, share application and allotment. Few more entries are there. With this we will be taking. So till here, in what situations while allotting which journal entries we are going to take, just we have had the highlights. Now soon after, few more points are there on the call money, what we are going to do and all. After that, when we will be having the problem, how we pass the journal entries, we will be seeing in the further classes. This is just the highlight. Highlight means in this how the journal entries are being passed, just the overview, the picture we are showing here. Okay, then further, sometimes combined accounts of share application and share allotment are been made. So share application and allotment account is opened in one of the company, in the opened in books of company, it is in the books of company. The combined account is based on reasoning that allotment without application is impossible. See, application money, first what the point we took, application and allotment, it should be taken at once only. Why? Because while you are making the application, the allotment account can be opened, it is one thing. Okay, so further, uh, while opening, while application without allotment is meaningless, these two stages of share capital are closely interrelated when a combined account is maintained. See, maximally when you make the application, that time they will be giving you all the money, so that you can have a combined account also. Application account and allotment account combinedly you can have it, or else it sometime it will be like meaningless. So how it is, and what journal entries will be coming for the share application and allotment account will be seeing here. See, actually what is happening, I don't know. Nearly in a 14 minutes itself, we are ending out the class. Actually, it is 50 minutes. Now it is showing me the warning of 5 minutes. In 2 to 3 minutes, we may go offline. Directly it will be disconnected. So, see how much it is possible. I will write here. The first entry, journal entries, the combined account is maintained for combined entries for share application and share allotment. Application and share allotment account. These two combinedly we are taking. So here the journal entries are as follows. Journal entries I will mention here. We'll see the what are the journal entries here. The first journal entry, for receipt of application and allotment, for, it should be written upside, for receipt of application and allotment. Application and allotment, bank account data to share application and allotment. Share application and allotment. The first entry, for receipt of application and allotment, it will be the bank account data to share application and allotment account. Down you can write here, money received on application of shares. Money received on application of shares. Money received on the application of shares you can mention here down. At rupees per share. So till here we will be stopping. Why? Because soon after I take the second point, it will be disconnected. Okay. So even you can overview these journal entries if you are all having the books, and if possible tomorrow onwards, don't miss from the next class. Maybe tomorrow we are having a class or no, I don't know. From Monday, whenever we will be having class for the problems, when we will be discussing the problems, that time I will be telling you all